Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining us today. Here in this video tutorial, I want to show everyone on how to display area of a boundary in multiple units such as square meters, acres, hectares, and so on. Alright, so here in this video you are going to see the easiest way to do just that without stress. So to do just that, you are to load your Lisp file by going to your command line, right? Type in app and you click on enter. So when you click on enter, you are to navigate to the folder where your Lisp file is. So in the course of this video, I'll be using the area calculation with multiple units ACL. Alright, so if you are in need of this Lisp file, check under the video description to see the download link to that to download freely. Thank you. So when you click on that, you have to click on load after it is appearing under your file name here. Click on load and you have to make sure it is loaded successfully. Okay, then you click on close. So when you are done with that, you quickly set up your unit. So your unit, because this is a test we are actually displaying, okay, you have to uncheck the clockwise, then you scroll to direction, then you make it east and you click on OK and OK. Do we get that? So the test is going to be well aligned after you make those changes you saw earlier. So if you don't get that, you can just rewind this video to get that properly. Alright, so after that you have to come to your command line, then you type ACL, then you click on enter. So it is going to ask you to what decimal places. So in the course of this video, I'll be using 3 decimal places after the point, then you click on enter. Alright, then here you have to select the object, so you make sure your boundary line is connected with a polyline 2, and not line. Alright, so because it's a closed boundary, so you click on the boundary line, okay, then you click on enter. So it is going to ask you where you want the text to be displayed, so I'm just going to click here. So I'm now going to increase the text size by right clicking, highlighting, right clicking, then the scale. So guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, do well to hit on the subscribe icon as well as turn on your notification to keep getting tutorial freely from this channel. So guys, that is just the area of this boundary in square meters, in square feet, in acres, in hectares, and in cents and square kilometers. Alright, thank you for watching. We hope to see you again.